be sure to watch your kids. Okay, guys, it's time to do some serious rafting.
¡Épale, balseros! Para que disfruten de un paseo seguro, permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad puesto. Mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la balsa. Y así ahora sí, muchachos, es hora de practicar un poco.
This one's coming after Rachel.
What state do you guys live in?
Whoa!
See, it's not spring break in California. It's not ours either.
It's not theirs. It's
College.
college.
Where are you guys from?
Sarah,
No, it's not the big yet. That's not the big yet. Oh no, oh no.
I got it! I got it! I got it! I got it so far. And so far, I've kept the camera dry. I'm doing good. No, my ankle's just Oh my gosh.
Here comes the other one.
Rachel, don't give it away.
Put your hammer away now.
Okay, I know, I will. I'm doing good.
No,
one more time.
rotation, it's gonna be me. No, my mom.
No. I want it to be me. Yeah, it's good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, man. Jordy, how you doing, bro? Did y'all get it?
Uh-oh. Oh no.
Oh, okay. Gets crazy.